Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Life is Easy with Biology. Let's begin with today's topic of transcription. Transcription, see students, transcription is the process by which any form of RNA can be formed from DNA. What I mean by saying this term, students, any form of RNA means RNA are of three types. We all know this: mRNA, tRNA and rRNA, right? That means any form of RNA where it is formed from DNA, then this process is called transcription. Okay, now coming to the next point, the enzyme that is involved in this process is called DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Now there is a reason, student, why it is called DNA dependent, because you are forming a strand of RNA from DNA. Okay, don't forget this. You have here RNA is being synthesized from DNA. That's why the enzyme name is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Okay, RNA polymerase, see students, it is of two different types in case of prokaryotes and in eukaryotes. In prokaryotes there is a single RNA polymerase. Okay, single RNA polymerase, single, which is responsible for synthesis of all the types, whether it is mRNA, whether it is rRNA or tRNA. All are synthesized by a single RNA polymerase. But in case of eukaryotes, there are three RNA polymerase. Okay, there are three RNA polymerase: RNA pol 1, polymerase 1, okay, RNA polymerase 2 and RNA polymerase 3. Now, what are these RNA polymerase, which actually I mean to say which RNA will it synthesize? It will synthesize rRNA, mRNA and tRNA. Now how will you remember this, student? ये याद कैसे रहेगा? बोलते हैं ना कि when you cry, सामने वाला क्या बोलता है? रो मत. You should never cry over your fate. Whatever destiny gives you, it is best for you, okay? So you must accept it with your loving and smiling face. So ro mat, you should study, get whatever you want to achieve in your life. So pol 1 R, pol 2 M, and pol 3 tRNA, your T. Okay, this way you can remember this. Now, structure of RNA polymerase in prokaryote. The next topic that we need to study is structure of RNA polymerase in prokaryote. See, RNA polymerase in prokaryotes is made up of 5 units, students. Okay, 5 units: 2 alpha, 1 beta, another beta dash and 1 omega. Matlab, see here, 2 alpha subunits, 2 alpha, 1 beta dash and another is omega. These 5 units make up the core enzyme of RNA polymerase, and this along with the sigma factor forms the holoenzyme. We will come across this word again, sigma factor. ये करता क्या है, students? What is its role? Why it is so called? ये सब जानेंगे. Okay. So this together, that is the core enzyme and the sigma factor together, is called holoenzyme, okay, or the complete enzyme. Now see, what actually happens in transcription. See, suppose these are the two strands. कोई भी sequence आप ले सकते हैं, student. I have taken ATGC, GCA. It depends upon you. These are the two strands. We know DNA is a double-stranded, helical structure. Okay, तो ये दो strand है. One is running from 3' to 5', another is running to 5' to 3'. I will come to DNA replication and the structure of DNA later on, because I thought this was asked by my students to post. So this is the first video. That is the reason as to why I'm posting this video first. So I'll explain you why it is called 3', why it is called 5'. Now you understand that a 5' is due to the presence of phosphate group, okay, at the 5' end of the DNA, and 3' is due to the hydroxyl group present in the ribose sugar. Now, this is the 3' and the 5'. One basic difference is between DNA replication and transcription is in DNA replication, students, you must have studied that both the strands of the DNA act as a template. ठीक है, दोनों ही strand template DNA की तरह काम करता है. जबकि when you will study transcription, आपको पता चलेगा कि only one strand, सिर्फ एक strand act as a template DNA. Template DNA मतलब जिस पर न्यू RNA synthesized होगा, जिस पर न्यू RNA सिंथेसाइज्ड होगा, वो सिर्फ एक DNA स्ट्रैंड उस तरीके से काम करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेम्पलेट DNA. और वो कौन होगा स्टूडेंट? जो 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम से रन करता हो. क्यों? देयर मस्ट बी अ रीजन, नो, व्हाई नेचर सेलेक्टेड 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम DNA strand as its template DNA. Because RNA polymerase enzyme which will synthesize the RNA on this strand of DNA, the RNA synthesize, the enzyme reads the strand in 3 prime to 5 prime. वो इसलिए इधर से पढ़ता ही है स्टूडेंट. इफ अगर आप एक बुक है आपके पास, you have your NCERT book, right? You read it from the beginning, right? Means आप उसको टॉप से पढ़ते हैं ना स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेकंड चैप्टर, लाइक दिस. ऐसा नहीं कि आप बुक को उल्टा कर लेते हैं और पीछे से पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं. अगर आप ऐसा करते भी हैं, उल्टा पढ़ना, what you have to do, you do not get into directly topics. टॉपिक पहले स्टार्ट होता है और फिर उसका एंडिंग होता है. अगर आप एंड से पढ़ना शुरू किए हैं टॉपिक की तरफ, that means that is not the correct way of reading, no? You read it in a proper way, sequenced way. तो इसीलिए रीडिंग जो RNA पॉलीमरेज का है वो किधर से किधर है? 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम. इसीलिए इसी स्ट्रैंड को टेम्पलेट DNA को, this is the only reason why this strand of DNA which is running from 3 prime to 5 prime act as a template DNA. Okay. Now, since there are two strands, 3 prime to 5 prime, are the anti-parallel to each other, right? And another one which is 5 prime to 3 prime is not a template DNA, okay? But it is called the coding strand. अब ये coding strand क्यों कहलाता है student? And why it is called sense strand? Template strand is also called as anti-sense strand. Anti-sense. जबकि this strand which do not code for anything is called coding strand and is also called sense strand. इसलिए कहा जाता है स्टूडेंट्स क्योंकि जो न्यूली सिंथेसाइज्ड RNA होगा, सब, लेट मी शो यू दिस, जो न्यूली सिंथेसाइज्ड RNA होगा स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज दिस इज द स्ट्रैंड, ओके, 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम. दिस इज द स्ट्रैंड A T G C C G. Suppose this is the strand which is acting as a template. Now, when the RNA will be synthesized on this strand, when the RNA strand will be synthesized on this strand, what will be the sequence, student? Here the strand U A C G C C. This will be G, sorry. That means why we are doing? Because in RNA, in place of thymine, we have uracil. इसीलिए uracil, okay? And adenine always binds with thymine through double bond, and cytosine always binds with guanosine with the help of triple bond. Double bond में 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Triple bond में 2 pi bond and 1 sigma bond. 1 sigma bond, okay? ऐसा अगर ये 3 बॉन्ड है, this is pi bond, this is pi bond and this is sigma bond, okay? This is sigma bond. Now students, ये न्यूली सिंथेसाइज्ड RNA और इसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्ट्रैंड को देखिए, ये DNA, okay? This is a DNA, this is the newly synthesized RNA, and the other strand of the DNA which is coding strand, you just check. It will have the same sequence, it will have the same sequence as that of the newly synthesized RNA, except for uracil in RNA and thymine in the DNA. This is the reason as to why this is called coding strand. This strand is called the coding strand or the sense strand. It has the same polarity, see? It has the same polarity as that of the newly synthesized RNA. Right, that is the reason as to why the other strand which is not acting as a template, non-template strand, is also called as a coding strand, and the sense strand. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now let's move forward, student. So this is what I've written here. The strand which run 5' to 3' is coding strand and the sense strand or the sense strand, and the newly synthesized RNA has same sequence as coding strand, only uracil at the place of thymine. This is what we have explained now. And RNA strand is similar to coding strand. RNA strand is similar to coding strand. RNA synthesized is कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड. अब इस ये क्या हुआ है स्टूडेंट, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ स्टूडेंट, ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हुआ ना, AUTAGC, दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. ओके, बट इफ यू सी दिस स्ट्रैंड एंड दिस स्ट्रैंड, you will see that they are similar. They are similar. Okay, now, and also the polarity is also same. That is why we say one of the strand is a template and the non-template strand as the coding strand. Now students, let's move to the next topic of ours, that is transcription unit. Now transcription, that is the formation of any form of RNA from DNA, begins from promoter and ends into the terminator. Okay student, transcription unit is made up of 3 parts or 3 unit is there. Okay, one transcription unit has 3 parts, you can say. One is the promoter, structural gene and terminator. अब यहाँ पे एक बात याद रखिएगा स्टूडेंट कि प्रमोटर और टर्मिनेटर का ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नहीं होता है. प्रमोटर के सीक्वेंस और टर्मिनेटर के सीक्वेंस ट्रांसक्राइब नहीं होते हैं. Only the region found in the structural gene is transcribed. Okay, and this structural gene is flanked on both the sides by promoter and terminator. Flank मतलब enclosed. अगर ये structural gene है जिसमें suppose कोई sequence है, ले लीजिए A T G C C G C suppose. Here this side there is a promoter region, here this side is a terminator region. Enclosed, दोनों तरफ से enclosed है. Now जैसे अगर आप एक सैंडविच खा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट, तो सैंडविच if you are eating a cheese sandwich with vegetables within it, okay, both the bread, both upside bread and the down, both is acting as a flanking all the substances that are there in that sandwich. ठीक है, ये वाला promoter हो गया, ये terminator हो गया. Now you understand now? If you are eating a sandwich, the bread, upper bread and the lower bread is both bread, what they do student, they are keeping the substances within it, cheese हुआ, butter हुआ, या फिर any vegetables, or if you are putting any type of tomato or any vegetables within it. Okay, and if you are going for a non-vegetarian sandwich, then there will be pieces of chicken in that. तो ये क्या हुआ कि दोनों bread is flanking the substances. उसी तरीके से structural gene is flanked by promoter and terminator. Okay, now see student, ये एक diagram, एक structural एक segment दिखाया गया है, ये promoter का, ये terminator का. Now do not forget that this is a DNA strand. तो DNA है तो यहाँ पे sequence होगा ना student, I have drawn it blank. A T G C, इस तरीके का सीक्वेंस होगा. कंटिन्यूस, यू कैन ड्रा एनीथिंग, यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग हियर. नाउ but not U, okay, because uracil is found only in RNA. Now the promoter region is recognized with the help of sigma factor. Okay, it is recognized with the help of sigma factor, and RNA polymerase binds to the promoter region. RNA polymerase with the help of sigma factor binds to the promoter region and synthesizes the new strand of RNA, which is complementary to the template strand, which is complementary. मतलब अगर A है तो it will be U in place of RNA synthesized, and if it is suppose C, then G is at that place. If G, then C is on the RNA side. Hope you understand this. Now, promoter in prokaryote students, promoter in prokaryote is called Pribnobox. Okay, it is called Pribnobox. उसका sequence क्या होता है student? Tata at. People living in Jamshedpur, that station, you know, Tata station, it is called Tata station. Tata junction आ गया है, तो Tata at. And in eukaryotes इट इज कॉल्ड टाटा बॉक्स। और सीक्वेंस यहाँ पे भी टाटा है स्टूडेंट, पर सी यहाँ पे डबल ए। प्रिब्नो बॉक्स में टाटा एट, टाटा बॉक्स में टाटा ए। ओके, अब ये है क्या स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इट इज? If this is a sequence, suppose let me consider this strand of DNA to be a prokaryotic DNA. This is a prokaryotic DNA. Okay, this is a prokaryotic DNA. Now, if this is a prokaryotic DNA and here suppose Tata at is present and here are the sequences like A, T, G, C, C, G, A, C. Likewise, sequences are present. This is the promoter region. Okay, this will be recognized by this sequence. This will be recognized by the RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase will bind to the promoter region with the help of sigma factor. Okay, it requires the help of sigma factor to bind to the promoter region, otherwise it won't be able to identify. Now अब ये promoter region से जुड़ गया. Transcription में there are no primers required student, because RNA polymerase itself is synthesizing the primer, itself is forming the new strand. Okay, तो यहाँ से फिर जब आगे बढ़ता है तो new strand will be having U, A, C, G, like this, complementary strand. Okay, like this the strand will be synthesized. This is called initiation of transcription. Okay, transcription has 3 steps students: initiation, elongation and termination. Initiation is binding of the RNA polymerase to the promoter region, okay, to the promoter region with the help of sigma factor. This is initiation. Elongation is synthesis of the new strand of DNA which is complementary to the template strand and having a polarity 5' to 3'. and और यहाँ पर एक टर्मिनेटर रीजन होता है स्टूडेंट. टर्मिनेटर रीजन में एक रो फैक्टर होता है. ओके, देयर इज अ रो फैक्टर. अब जैसे जैसे आरएनए पॉलीमरेज आगे बढ़ रहा है, ओके, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इफ यू सी इट लाइक दिस, दिस इज द स्ट्रैंड and here is the terminator region with the rho factor, and RNA polymerase has reached up till here. RNA polymerase has reached up till here with the strand of RNA synthesized by it. Suppose this is AT. I am showing only the structural gene part. Okay student, promoter region wala part I am not showing it in this diagram. U, A, C, G, C. Now जब ये प्रमोटर, ये जो RNA polymerase है, when it has reached the terminator region and when it collides with the rho factor, जब RNA polymerase collides with the rho factor, RNA polymerase बेचारा बहुत सीधा साधा है स्टूडेंट, झगड़ा नहीं करता है. तो ये रो फैक्टर से क्या करता है, ठीक है भाई तुम मेरे रास्ते में आ गए, हम ही हट जाते हैं. सीधा साधा इंसान, डज नॉट फाइट. व्हाट इट डू, it removes itself. Okay, yeah, after collision, this is the elongation part. Once the RNA polymerase collides with rho factor, it separates. Okay, it separates and we get a nascent RNA with a 5' to 3' and a RNA polymerase which is again free to bind to another promoter region. It does not fight with the rho factor. Okay, it simply gets removed. झगड़ा नहीं करना, अपना आराम से रास्ता ही बदल देंगे. Are you understanding? रास्ता बदलना मतलब स्टूडेंट, जो भी लोग आपको मेंटली हैरास करते हैं या परेशान करते हैं किसी भी तरह से, you just get off from them. Okay, you just get off from them. Similar is the RNA polymerase. झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे, अलग हो जाएंगे and separate itself from the promoter. And now what we have, the newly synthesized RNA which is ready for translation for the protein formation, and the RNA polymerase is again free to bind to another promoter region of another strand of DNA, right? That's all for today. Thank you, students. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.